Hey, this is Don and Dan coming to you from The Clinical Trials Guru. Again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Hey, how do you prepare for a monitor's visit? The best way to prepare for a monitor's visit is to make sure that at each subject visit that you have all your documentation done. And I know there's some things that you'll have to do later on that you may not get, but one of the most important things is to make sure that anything that your doctor has to do, any documents they have to sign, any progress notes they have to write up, is done during that day at that visit, because those are the things that you don't want to miss. The other thing you want to do before a monitor's visit, you want to review all your material. Go back through all your charts, make sure that you got everything up to date, that you haven't missed anything. Go through your regulatory book, make sure that all the necessary documents that need to be in your regulatory book is there. And also go through your emails. Make sure that you haven't missed any emails from your sponsor, that when they're sending you documents, sometimes they'll send you documents, or for instance, one we had to go into a portal website where we had to pull the documents out, and those documents had to go into the regulatory binder. You want to make sure you have all that stuff done before your monitor's visit. Is there anything you want to add, Dan?
Yeah, prayer also works. Lots of prayer. A couple Hail Marys. No, in all seriousness, a lot of coordinators, I know they're scrambling around preparing for monitor visits. It happens to all of us in the industry. It's happened to me in the past when I was a coordinator. Also, just make sure that you get your monitor comfortable by having enough space for him or her that day, so schedule ahead of time. Make sure your PI or sub-Is are available to meet with them, even if it's just a few minutes. What else? Lunch is always nice. Sometimes the monitors want to buy you lunch. Sometimes you should buy them lunch if you have a budget for that. It's not a requirement, but it's always nice to do. Just a little bit, just a few things you can do to kind of create a more relaxed environment. That's about it, Don. You hit on several good points, and preparing for monitor visits is important. And you know, all you study coordinators out there, you probably know a lot of this, but maybe not. So hopefully it helps.
This is Dan and Don signing off from The Clinical Trials Guru. Again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thank you.